elaborate, this is Paul from Dahua Tech. I'm so happy to introduce our smart lock to you. This lock is not only designed very beautiful, but also with powerful functions. It can normally be opened by 3 ways: fingerprint, card, and password. The screen can feel the temperature from our hands, and it can open automatically. For some emergent cases, we can use the key to open it. And for the safety concerns, it will trigger the alarm. Besides these more normal functions, we have 2 special functions to make this lock better. The first one is passage mode.
Please input administrator password and press pause to enable channel 1 mode. Channel 1 mode enabled.
Now, the door can be opened without doing anything. And as you can see, with the help of the voice prompt, people can use this lock very convenient. And the other function is named free scramble mode. In this mode, only the administrator password can be used. And there is not enough time for me to introduce all the good functions of it. And I believe you will love it. Thank you.